Now let's create the L shape. So let's start with the mouth on this shape. So go ahead and dial this down. I'm going to pull the bottom lip just down a little bit and out. So again, let's go ahead and mask off. Oops. Let's mask off the top part of the lip there. Pull it out a little. Okay. Alright, now let's pull the teeth, bottom teeth down again. So, teeth, separate the polygroups, and transparency. Go to the teeth. There we go. And I'll hide the top part. So I'm left with the bottom plus the tongue. Okay, so I'll just open them up just a little bit. So let's go to the side view. And we'll go to rotate. Rotate those down just a little bit. Let's go ahead and move them out slightly. Okay. Something kind of like that. Alright, so now what we want to do is actually take the tongue and move it up to the roof of the mouth. So I'll go ahead and turn this guy off for now. And so we want to take this tongue and move it up. So let's again just hide these. There we go. And we want to access the tongue, so let's actually go ahead and hide that as well. Okay, so now what we want to do is bring this tongue up. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Try not to get any of the teeth there. If you have problems, you can always get rid of those. Okay, so let's just move that tongue up. So it's sort of the top, the roof of the mouth there. And I want to smooth that out a little bit. Smooth that bottom of the tongue out. Pull that out. and go back to move. Just bring that whole thing up a little bit more. And then at some point we can go ahead and bring those teeth back. And let's go ahead and smooth that out. And I also want to kind of widen it, I think. A little bit. You don't have to be too exacting here on the tongue. Okay, so now our tongue is up against the roof of the mouth. Let me turn this back on. And now, even though it's a little bit hard to see, go ahead and dial this guy up. You can see that we have that more of an L sound going on because we've got the mouth open and then we've got the tongue up on the roof of the mouth. Now this, again, is something that we can do here in ZBrush, or we can do it in Maya as well. Okay. And you may want to pull this lip down a little bit more, but that should be good. So that can be our L sound. And feel free to make other phonemes, but we're going to go ahead and stop there, as we're not going to be animating complete sentence or anything like that. We're more focused on the expressions and the aspects involved with that. But just wanted to show you a couple of different ways that you can build phonemes, and you can do that certainly here in ZBrush as well. All right, so let's go ahead and in the next lesson start to bring in the model and the normal maps and the blend shapes into Maya itself, so we can start assembling all the pieces that we've created here. So we'll go ahead and start to do that in the next lesson.